How to upload audio to Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this tutorial. To upload audio to Roblox, firstly head over to create.roblox.com. You'll be redirected to your creator hub of your Roblox. To upload your audio from here, select on the dashboard option. Under Creations, tap on the Development items. From here, tap Open to Audio. Now to upload the audio file, just click on the Upload Asset option. Make sure the audio is in the format of MP3 or OGG. And make sure it is only of 20 MB. To upload, click on the Upload button and select the audio file that you want to upload. You can enter the name for your audio file as well and enter the description of it, or just skip it as it is optional. Once done, scroll down and tap on the Upload button. By this way, you'll be able to upload your audio to Roblox. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.